I can't handle both you and the postmaster. You know what that monkey told me when I put a modern dress and went there?
This is not Chennai. This is Palani. You should wear sari and come here.
It's so better. Hair crap, apply sandal. It's not tell like that. Just wait. I'll get tiffin box.
Oh, Granny, this piece fell down, Granny.
Just sari fall down. Why you shout heavily? Just wear it.
Oh, I don't know how to fold this and put.
Why don't you wear it like this? Wait. For this problem, I will make it solution tomorrow. Take it. Bye.
Thank you, Ma.
Give me matchbox, bro. What are you searching, man?
Nothing. My 50 paise is missing. I'm searching for it.
Is this yours?
Hey, you should have shown it before.
I thought you will be going, but you are not going. Take it.
Crazy man. Today is my lucky day.
For me too.
What do you mean?
Bus has come, don't you go?
That is not my bus.
Then I will go. Hey, stop the bus, man. Goodbye,
Go.
brother.
Bess.
Yes, it is.
Hey, Bess.
Yeah.
What? I'm yelling Bess, and you're telling me yes.
Yeah, we call it the bus only.
Hello, I asked you to stop the bus.
You asked me to stop the bus. You say bus, I say yes.
What? I've not seen bus.
How
or what?
did I know?
Stupid. Not running. What happened to this one? Time.
Well.
Time.
Well, very well.
Hello, I'm asking you the time.
You don't ask anything completely. Always, beautiful girls like you will come and ask a time first. Then you will start the conversation. Finally, it will end in love. Look here, my situation is not good for love. I have some duties and responsibilities.
Brother, you well said. This is the right way.
Okay, brother.
Where you want to go?
To Ramesh Theatre.
Hey, Ramesh Theatre, it's for 3 rupees.
Oh no, I have 2 rupees only.
Why you are irritating me? Don't you know the fare?
Conductor, brother, we should not take others' life like an example. Our life should be an example. Before you get into the bus, you should know the fare. Understand? Brother, get him down near the Ramesh Theatre.
If you people like you board the bus, we will don't have a problem, sir.
Okay.
Where you want to go, sir?
Purse is missing. Driver, please stop the bus.
Hey, I'm the one to say that.
I lost my purse.
What? Your purse is missing? Now only you advise him lot. You have nothing with you? Get down from the bus.
Excuse me, conductor. I'll pay for both of us to post office.
Pay rules, thanks. Why are you laughing?
Nothing. You taught me rules. At least I carry 2 rupees. But you carry nothing in your hand.
Hey, old man, just listen. You suffered without 1 rupee. Nobody helped you. Look at me. A beautiful girl came to help me.
It's post office here. Get in.
Sister's training course application. God, please help us. Did it go properly? Let me check.
Hello.
Yes.
Just out of sympathy, I took ticket for you. Taking that as a reason, coming behind me, talking something, trying to impress me, growing it into love. I don't like all this. For me, I have many obligations.
Hello. Excuse me. I am not that type of guy like you think. For me, returning home, I need 2 rupees. If you give me, tomorrow I will return as 4 rupees. Thanks.
Hey, come goddess.
My name is Anjali, sir.
Whenever you wear a sari, I always see you as a goddess.
Stupid idiot. Wearing this saree only because of you.
Why are you murmuring?
Hello.
What is this? I just gave you 2 rupees.
You gave me, but it's torn apart. Conductor will push me out, so please give me another.
One girl took a ticket for him in the bus. For that you are saying it's love, you stupid!
No, dude. Even though there are lot of passengers, she took ticket for our whale only. It's a confirm love.
Hey, I don't even see her face. Then what love?
You didn't see the face? My God. I'm already half
It's a
mad.
confirm love, dude.
Did you see the face? You're saying it's love! You're saying it's love!
Hey.
When I'm beating him, you got the
it's
face!
here only.
Where?
Take this fruit.
This girl.
Why are you laughing?
How man? How she is going to love you? She looks like chick 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 serial light, and you look like dull zero multiple man. It will not work out. You forget it here. Why your face is down? My dear, cannot understand the girl's heart, man. Whatever it is, we will go and clear directly. Face is right. Let's go.
Yes,
I
let's
will
go.
kill you if you come.
I'm not coming. You elders go and talk with
That's
her.
it. That's it.
This love won't work.
You idiot.
How much?
Only 8 rupees.
Here.
I don't have 2 rupees change.
No problem. Keep the change.
Why, man? This girl is giving 2 rupees to everyone. Let's go.
Hey, wait.
Why this much effect here? Madam. Stop. You know this guy?
I've not seen him before.
Yeah.
Who's he?
She's asking who is this? Just speak something.
Bus. 2
One bus is 2 rupees.
Shut up. 2 rupees bus.
I don't travel by bus.
What is this? Then speak, man.
I think you get forget. But I have enough memory. Those eyes resembles grapes in ice cream. Those nose are sharp like a knife. Those lips were like orange pieces. She also had an anklet in her leg.
He said didn't see and notice each and everything. Overacting he is doing. Day!
Not only that, there is a small difference. That day you wear sari. Now you are in jeans.
Now only I understood. You might have seen my sister, Anjali.
Your sister? Then you?
I'm Anjali.
Manjari?
Anjali's sister.
Manjari?
Let me take leave. Bye-bye.
Hey, did you see? Twins, man. Double action. It's shame for both of us. It's okay. Tomorrow, we are going to post office. We will see her sister. You will say I love you. You may. Okay? Abba. Thank God. Sorry for him. Jeans for me. Now what you are going to do is take this 5 rupees. Wait. Go and give that 4 rupees back. Then you act like getting 1 rupee. Touch her heart. If possible, touch hand also.
Hey, you speak
I
good
best.
English.
Oh, go, man.
I'm going. Hello.
What do you want?
I came to correct you.
What?
I came to connect you. Oh, no. Settle the payment. Loan amount 4 rupees.
Hello. What are you doing?
No. I just given that money to you.
I don't have 1 rupee change. Can I give you a stamp?
No problem. Give me. Hey, yesterday I saw your sister.
Why he is pulling sister in between?
What? My sister?
Yeah, I saw your sister.
Hello. You have to buy the stamp and go, man. Don't lose talk here.
Old guy is interrupting, man.
Get me a car, ma'am.
Did you see
I
that?
saw that. This also I saw. Before that you blabbed. That also I saw.
What?
Why you are pulling sister in between? That's my matter. You speak only yours.
So what to do now?
What to do? Hold it. Now you buy a stamp and put your seal.
Inside post office, postman only do that.
Oh my God, how to make him understand? Put the seal means you have to place your matter.
Oh,
Go, man, go.
Okay.
Now itself terrible, man.
Hi.
Here it is.
Do you remember me?
Now he is starting properly.
Yesterday in bus, I was not having money. You only helped me to take the ticket. What the meaning of? One minute. Hey, what man? Why you call me?
I called you.
You said come on.
I called you. Come on. Are you host or something? I asked you to continue, man.
I ruined. What to do?
Let's go home.
Hey, love.
Love. Hello. Take this. Keep this 1 rupee. Buy stamp and start again.
What to do with 1 rupee stamp?
Don't you know that? Oh God. Old man. Do you know the guy with the cap? Who is this?
Yeah, he is the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. In 1947, he got the independence, right? In that time, there were a lot of people who were fighting. He is one among them. Okay. Same like this, there was a person in
Stop.
England.
Did you see? I asked only who started in India and went to England. You cannot talk like this. Go and continue.
In the
Hey!
same time in England.
I told him to continue. Why you stopped here?
You said me to stop.
I said stop to him.
Then I.
You continue.
I want to stop
That's
now.
his continue and your continue. You continue.
In England, there was a Queen Elizabeth, no? She is not only a England queen, but
Why you are looking to my teeth? Just speak.
he is a queen.
Till now you bought stamp for 68 rupees. You cannot speak that 3 words I love you.
Every time there was a disturbance, give me 1 rupees again.
No. You won't continue properly.
Continue.
Uh.
In England, there was a Queen
Wait, wait,
Elizabeth.
wait, wait. You tired because of that speech? Why you got up? Lie down, stupid.
What to do with this
If
stamp?
you want more idea, you have to put petrol in my brain. Just give all these stamps and buy a half cutting. Why staring at me? For your love, you are using my brain. Your brain is still fresh, right? Just obey, go. Go. When it is getting late, his face changing like hell. Obviously, it is going in the wrong path. Let it go. What he will do now?
Take it, brother.
Uh-huh.
I light up correctly.
Thank you.
So give me 20 rupees.
20 rupees for lighting the cigarette? Hey, do you think I'm stupid, rascal? Huh? Whom you are playing with, you know? Won't you single penny get lost?
Then give my fire back.
To give the fire back. Here is your fire.
This is just ash. I gave you fire. When I light it up, something goof come na. Fire, fire.
Okay.
Return it as in the same way.
Hey,
Huh?
you drunk too much. Just go home.
What? Am I over?
Really, you are over, man.
If you don't return, you will be over.
Every year I am stucking with one mental guy.
How many stamps you are having?
Give me. He is torturing me inside.
Take.
Go get the water. Okay, sir. Give me quarter VSOP.
Sir, in which station?
Yeah. He is the new DSP of Dindukal, Mr. Ishwara Pandian.